Hey, 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 my BYU friends. I want to do a quick tutorial and show you how to find your feedback from me. When you turn in things in Canvas, it automatically turns things into Turnitin.com. You don't need a Turnitin account to get in and see your feedback. And I like Turnitin because it allows me to give you really quick, robust feedback, whereas it would take me a lot longer if I gave you comments in Canvas. So there's two ways that you can go about finding this. So we can click on like the week and like part 1 final draft, and then when you get here, there's this button over here that says submission details. You can click on that, and what you want to look for is this little percentage, and it has a color. There are different colors. This one says that I failed my similarity score. My paper was plagiarized. It's because I turned in someone else's paper. But you click on that, and what it'll do is it'll pop up the Turnitin Framework Feedback Studio. And you can see that there's a bunch of stuff in red. If things are in red, that means that it's saying that it's copied from someone else. So hopefully you don't have that stuff. It also will make like grammar suggestions every once in a while. So like this one says proofread. This one says you're missing a comma here. It'll do that automatically. A lot of these are not my comments, right? That's the system doing that. And sometimes they're wrong. But when you see things like this that have been highlighted, these are my comments. So like you can click on these and it'll bring up, well, that just says bold, but this has something that I've written. This right here has something that I've written. And then when you're all done looking through the comments in the actual paper, you can click on here and there should be a fairly lengthy text comment over here. And that's how you can see my feedback on your essay. The other way you can access that in Canvas is if you go to your grades, you can click on grades, you can scroll down to that assignment, same assignment, and then that little bar shows up over here as well. That's your originality report, and it'll bring up the same little window as well. So that's how you access your feedback and turn it in. If you have any questions, as always, just let me know. Have a great one. Bye.